This is Michael and Sophia.
Hi, my name is Sophia.
And I'm still Michael.
Yeah, this is the abacus. This is the frame, this is the plank.
This is the earth beads, and this is the heaven beads. You use 2 fingers, the thumb and the pointer finger. So +1 is like this.
And -1 is the point finger.
And +2 is like this.
And -2 is the point finger.
+3, that.
And -3 is that.
And +4 is like this.
And -4 is like this.
And don't worry, this is not how big the abacus are. These are the abacuses you guys are going to be using.
This is how we started. Start game.
1, 2, 3, go! 1, 3, -4, 2, 2, -1, -3.
And there we go.
She does the slow part, but I'm going to do the faster part.
Two, -4, 3, 1, -3, -1.
That's 0. And you will go higher and higher with your numbers. You won't just sit on this part the whole time. And you could go much more faster than what you think. You'll go faster and faster and faster.
To learn more,
Visit our website at tinkerthinkers.com. Bing! Come to Tinker Thinkers.